Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Zoetrope Animation Toy is probably one of the most fascinating and historically significant optical toys ever created, offering a captivating glimpse into the very origins of motion pictures and providing a unique, hands-on experience with the magic of animation that continues to enchant audiences of all ages with its simple yet profound illusion of movement. Number 5. Shashibo DODECA Magnetic Puzzle Cube. Introducing the Shashibo DODECA, a revolutionary magnetic puzzle cube designed to engage your mind and soothe your senses. It's more than just a toy, it's an experience. With over 100 possible shapes, this sensory fidget toy offers a unique way to boost creativity and enjoy screen-free time. Collect and connect different colors to create your own masterpiece. Improve your working memory and spatial reasoning as you master the art of transformation. The limitless combinations provide endless opportunities for discovery and learning. Ideal for all ages, this quiet fidget toy serves as a fantastic desk companion to reduce anxiety and calm your mind. It's the perfect distraction for a much-needed brain break. Our fidgets come in a variety of colors and designs, all compatible to connect with each other. Build and expand your Shashibo universe with 36 ultra-strong magnets. This silent fidget toy is a must-have for classrooms, providing a stimulating yet quiet activity. It's a great focus aid for restless hands and minds, helping to calm the nervous system. What we like. This magnetic puzzle cube offers endless possibilities for creative expression and cognitive development. If you're looking for a unique desk toy that provides a screen-free way to de-stress and boost brain power, this is it. Its collectability and connectivity make it ideal for those who enjoy building and customizing. What people say. The Zoetrope Animation Toy is a fantastic way to bring drawings to life. It's a simple yet effective tool for understanding the principles of animation. The toy is well made and durable, ensuring hours of creative fun. Number 4. Osmo Genius Kit. Introducing the Osmo Genius Kit, an innovative learning system designed for kids aged 6 to 10. It transforms your tablet into an interactive playground for STEM education. Unlike passive apps, this system uses physical game pieces that interact with your tablet. Kids learn essential skills like spelling, math, and problem-solving through engaging, hands-on gameplay. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, making it perfect for travel, after-school learning, or quiet indoor play. It's a flexible tool for home, classrooms, and independent exploration. Explore 5 exciting learning areas: math, spelling, drawing, problem-solving, and physics. Each game is designed to build critical thinking and creativity in a fun, interactive way. This award-winning system supports various learning styles and helps build confidence. It's a gift that turns screen time into productive skill building, making learning enjoyable and effective. Now under new ownership, it features updated compatibility and active customer support. We're here to ensure a smooth and enriching learning experience for your child. What we like. This interactive learning system transforms screen time into active, educational play. If you have children aged 6 to 10 who need engaging ways to learn spelling, math, and problem-solving skills, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for parents seeking a productive and fun way to supplement their child's education. What people say. The Zoetrope Animation Toy is a classic and fascinating way to explore the principles of animation. It comes with a variety of pre-made animation strips, allowing for immediate enjoyment and experimentation with different motion sequences. The design is simple yet effective, clearly demonstrating how sequential images create the illusion of movement when viewed through the spinning drum. Number 3. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience with the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026. This isn't just a toy, it's a high-tech marvel designed for endless fun. Equipped with a gyroscope and AI chip, it offers intelligent flight with a captivating boomerang effect. Mastering its flight not only brings joy but also enhances hand-eye coordination and creativity. Crafted from lightweight yet durable ABS material, it's built to withstand impacts. The propellers are safely enclosed, ensuring worry-free play for children. A quick 25-minute USB charge provides 8 to 10 minutes of exhilarating flight. Its LED indicator lets you know when it's time to power up. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures, it requires minimal space to operate. Enjoy its smooth flight and boomerang action in your backyard or living room. Looking for a unique gift? This hand-controlled drone is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It's a fantastic present for kids, teens, and even adults. What we like. Experience the thrill of flight with this high-tech, hand-controlled orb. If you're searching for a fun, outdoor activity that's easy to control and provides a unique boomerang effect, this is the toy for you. It's perfect for kids and adults looking for a cool gadget that sparks creativity and improves hand-eye coordination. What people say. The animation is surprisingly smooth and clear, bringing the images to life. It's a great way to understand the principles of animation and optical illusions. The build quality is solid, and it feels like a durable toy that will last. Number 2. Joytech Bluetooth Music Tesla Coil SSTC SS02. Don't let its compact size fool you, this device packs a powerful punch. Adjust the volume slowly to get accustomed to the ARC sound and avoid startling yourself. Remember to turn the knobs to their lowest setting before powering on. Experience superior sound quality with its circuit protection design, which safeguards your input devices. It's optimized for playing square wave music, delivering a clearer audio experience than traditional ARC plasma speakers. Enjoy wireless freedom with Bluetooth connectivity, no grounding or audio wires needed. This model is specifically designed for square wave music, ensuring perfect playback. Just plug it in and play. The flexible spring needle adds an interactive element. You can gently move it with non-conductive materials to enhance the visual appeal of the ARC without affecting music playback. It functions as a wireless transmitter and loudspeaker, capable of lighting up gas tubes and creating mesmerizing effects. It's an excellent tool for sparking scientific curiosity and makes a fantastic gift. Included is a USB flash drive loaded with 110 square wave music tracks, ready for you to enjoy. You can also find and download more square wave music online to expand your playlist. What we like. This desktop model brings the fascinating science of a Tesla coil to life with the added fun of music playback. If you are a science enthusiast or looking for a unique educational gift that demonstrates principles of electricity and sound, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for sparking curiosity in STEM fields. What people say. The Zoetrope Animation Toy is a fantastic way to understand the principles of animation. It's surprisingly easy to use, and the included animation strips provide a great starting point for creating your own animations. The quality of the toy is excellent, with a sturdy base and clear, crisp images when spun. Number 1. LEGO Ideas Ship in a Bottle 92177. Embark on a creative journey with this intricate model. It's a perfect display piece for any enthusiast. Discover a beautifully crafted ship within a bottle, complete with a captain's quarters, cannons, and a detailed display stand. It even includes a compass for that authentic touch. This advanced building set is designed for builders aged 12 and up. It offers a rewarding challenge for both teens and adults. Learn about the inspiration behind this unique set. An included booklet shares insights from the fan creator and LEGO designers. Standing over 10 centimeters high and 31 centimeters wide, the bottle makes a striking display. The ship itself is also intricately detailed. With 962 pieces, this set provides hours of engaging construction. It's a fantastic opportunity for creative building. This model is fully compatible with all other original LEGO sets. Unleash your imagination and combine it with other bricks for even more building possibilities. What we like. This intricate LEGO set allows you to build a classic ship within a bottle, offering a rewarding display piece. If you are an adult or older teen who enjoys detailed building projects and collecting unique display models, this is a perfect fit. It's designed for those who appreciate the artistry and challenge of advanced LEGO construction. What people say. This is a great toy for learning about animation. The Zoetrope is well made and easy to use. It's a fun and educational toy for all ages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.